In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your TikTok shop balance to GCash. So first step is open TikTok and then go to your profile bottom corner, and then over here click on the top right where you see the three lines, and then click on balance, and then under coins click on estimated balance, and now click on live rewards. And now over here you'll see your available rewards that you made from your lives, and right now I don't have any rewards, so I'm not able to withdraw and show you the rest. But if you can, click withdraw, and then it will show you a list of withdrawal methods. Just select PayPal, because I don't think they have GCash as a withdrawal method. And then from PayPal you have to convert that currency, whatever currency it says for you. Right now for me it says USD, as you can see, and convert that to Philippines, because GCash is a Philippines based phone wallet, so you have to convert it to Philippines, and then go to your GCash app. So I'm gonna go out here. So as you can see, I have the GCash app. This is the phone wallet for Philippines, and just click on it. Right now I don't have an account for it as well, but you should be able to convert your PayPal money to GCash by clicking on a tab called Cash In, and then click on Global Banks and Partners, and then click on PayPal. And then from there you should be able to log in with your PayPal credentials, and then follow the steps, the prompts ahead to transfer your money. And that should be it for transferring your TikTok shop balance to GCash. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.